Bro, you okay?
Yeah,
What you got going on?
deadlifting. It's not a lot. I wanna do a little bit more.
He's only doing 3. What makes you think you can do this?
I don't know. We'll see.
Not today. Yeah.
But it was my dream.
Maybe you're still dreaming.
I will just try one more time and then like.
It's your back.
Oh. This like.
How were you able to lift that?
Like this. What are you doing there, guys? It's also like machine. I thought it's like not heavy. It's not that big. Like
It's heavy.
how much time I need to do like same like weighting?
2-3 years of training.
Even with protein.
I would say at least 4. All the food goes in depletion, protein, everything included, sleep, recovery, and everything.
Is it okay? I will just try with you. Try to do the same exercise.
And it hurts. Are you serious? God.
I just showed you to like try a few more.
Is it like this? I mean like this is for the back.
No.
We're doing like usually like this one.
Who are you?
I'm just son of my mom.
What do you take?
Sorry guys.